yeah. Let go. Yeah. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button first play. Get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. There's loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up?
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen. You know, your boy celebrating. I started earlier today. Started celebrating my 3K. It took a minute, but your boy made it happen. You hear me? Well, than that, I'm just to go ahead and cook up some nice chicken, and we're gonna try to turn this white rice into some fried rice. You hear me? So your boy fits to make it happen. I'm kind of like a little tired, a little burnt out a little bit because I've been drinking. You know, we celebrated. You hear me, me and my wife. So what I'm using, I had to pull them out the cups. I'm using my air fryer, my Ninja Max. You hear me? This is my first time using it. So your boy fits to make it happen. And you know, the best way to celebrate is me and my wife getting some me time. We in our suites. We came and got us some sweets for the night, man. And I'm fixing to cook in the suites, yeah. So that's how we doing it right here. So I got me some chicken right here, some chicken breast or something like that. I'm all this bobulated. So first thing I'm gonna use is some parsley flakes. Boom. Get it nice and coated. Then I'm gonna use some garlic powder. Season to your taste. We have 5 pieces of chicken in here. So season to your taste, you hear me? Then I have some chili powder. Boom. If you see it, chili powder. We ain't go too dumb on that. The wifey don't like the spicy. You hear me? She don't like the spicy. And you know I can't leave home without it. I got my paprika. You know what I'm talking about? It's easier for me. So I just threw that bad boy in the bag. So I'm the cook and the cameraman. You know what I mean? My wife, she over there. I put too much paprika in there. I didn't pour the whole thing. But she over there knocked out. You know what I'm talking about? Knocked out like she's supposed to. And then we have our minced onion. We just get that bad boy some cool sprinkle. You know what I mean? Sprinkle with the love. I ain't gonna tell nobody, but I was asleep. I guess I was knocked out. My wife she had made some rice. Yeah. Oh, my bad. Hold on. That's Italian seasoning. She had made some rice, right? And she burnt it. Don't tell nobody, y'all. Yeah, but she burnt the rice. And then I had some rosemary. You hear me? A little herb. That Italian is herb also, and whatever else they put in there. But you don't have to worry about the salt. Nothing like that. And then, you know, I can't leave without my Creole season, that good Tony. You hear me? Alright, there you go right there. And I also have a can of mixed vegetables. So, you know what I mean? We doing it. We'll go ahead with some extra virgin olive oil. We want that seasoning to stick. gonna put everything in the air fryer at one time. And then we have some Worcestershire sauce. Boom. So we're gravy now, baby. You hear me? So I'm finna go ahead and shake this up because I say only have one hand. Alright, so I sprayed the pan already with some extra virgin olive oil. So I already sprayed the pan. So what I have right here, I'm doing everything on what I have. So this one of the sweets bowl, you know, something they have for you. So we'll go ahead and pour 2 cups of rice in here. 2 cups of rice. We're gonna do 2 cups of water, 2.5 cups of water. You know what I mean? No, my bad. We're gonna do 3 cups of water. I already rinsed the rice, let it soak, all that good stuff. I said that should be it right there. So that's how we're looking. So we're gonna make some fried rice. We also have our vegetables right here. I mixed vegetables in the can. Go ahead and pour that in there. Bear with your boy, you know what I mean? I'm gonna make it happen. Believe that, I'm gonna make it happen for real. So, boom, that's how we looking right there. Now, let me see. Like I said, it's my first time using this bad boy. Okay, we're gonna do that. I was looking at a YouTube video on how to use it. So I guess I'll do it that way. Cause no video popped up. I'm like all these videos, but nothing pop up. So we want to make sure that rice is nice, secure. You hear me? Now we go ahead and put our chicken on there. Boom. Like I said, we have 5 pieces of chicken. Hopefully they will fit. Okay. All right, one more. We'll put that right there. Boom, just like that there. You know what I mean? We'll let it do its thizzle. Wash my hands. My wife, she over there knocked out. She done went from the top of the bed to the bottom, from the head to the foot. Yes, sir. All right. I don't know. It's 5 pieces of chicken. Hey, and another thing I forgot was an egg. I did forget to bring an egg. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to go over there to Jack in the Box or something and go grab an egg. I wonder if they sell it. I know 7-Eleven be open, but I don't want to ride around like that though. Yeah, I mean, not this late at night. Plus, you know, I've been drinking anyway, so, you know. Homebound hemp. Alright, let's see if we can fit this bad boy in there. Go get it in there. That 1 piece of chicken is a little too much. Yeah, that 1 piece of chicken a little too much. Boom. Alright, let me go ahead and fix this up. We'll turn the camera right back on. All right, so I just decided to just leave that fifth piece of chicken in there. You know what I mean? It's, you know, it should shrink anyway. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on. But you know what I'm talking about? Just like that there, pimp. We're gonna put it on air fryer. It says 390. I'm gonna turn it down. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep it on 390. I'm putting on the timer. We're gonna put it on for 25 minutes. Start. I should have did an open box, but you know, your boy be doing so much stuff. I'm trying to get it right. You hear me? But other than that, that's how we doing. We got 24 minutes and we're gonna see how this turn out. Hopefully it turn out good. But if it turn out bad, I'm still gonna show everything. You hear me? And then we have some stuffed chicken in there. It is kind of stuffy in there. You hear me? But hopefully as the chicken cook, it's gonna shrink. So I'll let your boy go ahead and enjoy my drink and let's make some delicious dinner. And a good ninja. You hear me? Good ninja. I show the room. I'm gonna show it tomorrow. I'll show the room tomorrow, not tonight. All right, this how we looking. All that seasoning dropped down into the rice, and the rice looking gravy. Like I said, it's my first time using this bad boy. I had it for a while. I decided to use it. Shout out to my boy Rick. He be doing a stizzle. Yes, sir. My boy Rick. And with these ninjas, he got everything. He have all of them. So, you know what I mean? Shout out to my boy Rick. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and throw some soy sauce in there. A little, not much, just a little. Well, mix it up. I don't know too much about this ninja, you know what I mean? I gotta, you know, take my time with it, figure it out. Cause I have to double up on the timing. I had to change a lot of things around. Cause 4 pieces of chicken in this bag, 5 pieces of chicken in here, ain't good at all. You better off doing like 3 pieces of chicken. It depends how big they is, you know what I mean? But that go our fried rice right there. Boom. A little more soy sauce. And look how the rice came out though. That's how I'm really digging it, how the rice came out. The chicken, you know what I mean? I put some barbecue sauce on there. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna go ahead and put it back in this air fryer for like 10 more minutes. And we'll get this bad boy on the plate. You know what I'm talking about? So just remember, I don't know too much about this air fryer. I'm still learning. And your boy in the switch, I'm not at home or nothing like that. So I gotta work with what I have. And man, I'm just celebrating my 3K. You hear me? Just like that there. So here we go right here. Your boy made it happen. Like I said, I'm still learning. You know, man, I'm still learning. But that's how I'm doing it. With that good Ninja Max, made it happen. That's the outcome. I had to double up on the timing, change things around, but I made a nice, delicious dinner. We got the fried rice with the vegetables, some nice barbecue chicken. Your boy made it happen. For real, for real. And you know how we do it. You know, we gotta do the him and her plate. The him and her plate, pimp. You know what I'm talking about? So this your boy celebration to that 3K. And I'm going for 3 more. And after that 3, another 3 more. You know what I mean? All gas, no brakes. Can't stop, won't stop. You hear me? And like I said, I appreciate all my good family and friends that's supporting your boy channel, staying strong, having the patience, you know what I mean, to take the time out or whatever you have going on during your day to watch your boy videos. I appreciate all y'all, for real. Man, and let's keep it going. We all love food. Share with family and friends. Let's go tell a friend. Let's go tell a family member. Your boy cooking in the kitchen. I ain't the best cook, but I can cook as a man. You hear me? For real. And like I say, we doing our thizzle. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.